So this is my review on this shower head. It is the Veken, I guess, RainFall shower head. Easy to install. I did use the tape stuff. Let's see. So the water comes out. It actually is a soft, it's like a full stream. It's very soft though. It's not like hard hitting the body. Super soft. Like playing in the rain. Oh, let me not turn it towards me. This can be spun this way so that you get a longer stream of water. It does have a handheld. This is not the handheld that came with this shower head. I chose to use my previous one because I really liked it. So this won't be a review on the handheld. I did find the handheld part of the shower head to be a little bit cheap. It's really light plastic. This one's plastic too, but it's got some weight to it. It feels more high quality. But anyway, I used all of the parts except for the handheld. So this off and on button works really nice. So it says on. I have it turned off right now. You're supposed to, let me turn it on. You're supposed to be able to use dual shower head by turning it halfway over here. But what I have found was to get the actual dual, you do lose a lot of the pressure. So let me see. Is this on? So I have it halfway right now. There it goes. It's working its way. Hold on. There we go. So in order to actually have dual usage, you gotta like sacrifice the pressure in the main shower head to get water to come out of both of them. So I don't use it like this at all. I either use this and then when I'm ready, I use this separately. While I'm not using this, I do keep it turned off, which I think is a really nice feature. My last one did not have this. I also like that I can have this on the wall instead of it hooking on up here. So yeah, that's my review.
It doesn't normally drip. I was messing with it. And see, I don't have the extender arm, but you can move it all manner of ways. You can turn this off or not. And it's got, depending on how you want to do it. I use it for spraying out my garbage can and all number of other things. I can't imagine having a different shower head. I never will again.
So this is the shower head. This is it with the full power and only for that on. But if you turn it midway, you turn this midway, both comes on, and this can move that way. But the water pressure in my apartment might not be that good because when both is on, it's not that powerful. But when I put, you see the pressure goes higher when I turn that one off. But other than that, I love it.